Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. The protagonist, Kansas, she spends 4 years in solitude and she ventures out into the wild.
So is she alone in the movie?
For 4 years.
Kind of like a I Am Legend type of feel, but not quite.
Yeah.
Not,
She's not searching for a cure or anything.
yeah.
And hoarding.
She's just alone.
And hoarding any zombies. Yeah. She's surviving.
Okay. Good. Good to hear that.
She's resourceful.
Do you have any other novels you're currently working on?
The second one will be out September 30th. It's called Control of the Dead.
Second one of
Yes.
her stories?
Yes.
Okay.
And I have a new series that's coming out, but I want to finish this trilogy first. So yeah, I am working on it.
Okay, fun. I like all these pins that you have. I like this story though. It sounds like it would be a good TV show or something like that. I'd watch it. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by.
Okay, no problem.
No problem. This is Annie Wolf.